Alright, the reason you clicked on this video is because you're curious how I make my videos. Well, here we go. It's this simple. The TF2 classes just sit in this big room and play their games. That's it. Okay, jokes aside, here's how it really is done. Alright, first we start off in the gaming room. I usually sit on that couch right there. I mean, that's the only place to sit here. And now how do I actually record the screen? That's the thing. I don't really know where it is at the moment, but I have a little external USB thumb drive. I pop it into the USB port. Right now there's a charger cable plugged into it. Capture and share. And then change my capture save location to external, but obviously I can't do that right now because it's not plugged in. So that's how I do the Xbox, and it lets me record about an hour at a time. And that's pretty much all I really need for a video. PS5 is a little bit different. I also do record just with the built-in recording features on that as well. But after I'm done recording, I go into the captures library, whatever it's called, and transfer it to an external thumb drive. As for the PS3 and the Wii U, which they're still plugged in, and the Switch, the dock's over there somewhere, but I haven't really played that too much lately. As for those, I use this AverMedia game capture, and that can record a lot to it, so that's pretty good. But that's basically it for up here. Now, let's go downstairs to where the other stuff is. Well, now we're down here. This is the laptop and an external monitor. Got the Steam Deck there and a little old radio, which is also a clock, of course. So yeah, this is a Alienware M17. Got it in 2019, and it's been pretty good. Wireless mouse. So much better than using the so much better than using the trackpad, I was saying. Okay, now that we're on the computer, let's talk about for recording PC games. Let's hop on Gmod, for example. Yeah, Gmod, it is taking a little while to load right now. That's because I'm actually loading up something interesting. I have a save file in Big City, which has all the classes in it. And I'll show you how to record in just a second on PC. This is just what I do. While I wait, let's play some music. Yeah, I got all the TF2 classes here and their gaming setup as seen in videos. But I'm going to show you how to record real quick. This is what I do. Windows G. And it opens the Xbox game bar. So this is just what I do. Let me just go over here, click record. And wait a couple of seconds. Now it's recording, okay. But, yeah, this is how I do it. So now we're just recording there's all the classes. Look how heavy. He's all excited and everything. Then that's just a little clip. I'll open it again and hit that button again. Another way I record PC gameplay is this, OBS. And I've been using this software for quite a long time. And I already have it set up and everything. You're gonna have to look up some tutorials for yourself because I don't remember how I set this thing up. But yeah. Just start recording. Yep, I'm recording, that's great. Maybe I'll pop it over to the other window. Yeah. Okay, it's over there, now it's out of the way. So on this screen, I can just open whatever. Now, for this video, I'm going to be editing a Mario Kart gameplay, which I recorded a while back with my cousins. Now, in order to do that, I already have Dolphin on here, so... Yeah, so, Mario Kart is playing right there. And over here, it's recording, so that's pretty cool. So I'm on my desktop. Now how do I actually edit the video itself? Now let's say we got the file already transferred and everything. Yeah, here they are right here. Mario Kart Double Dash. And Mario Party, that's another video that I'm planning on doing. Alright, now how do I actually edit the video? Well, got Vegas Pro right here. Yeah, there it is. Classic Vegas Pro. Just like YTP back in the day. That's even the wrong aspect ratio? Yeah, it is. Seems like it was wrong for some reason. But yeah, that's just going to be there for this video. It's going to be a little bit of a watermark too, because that space is pretty much useless. Actually, just want to test something out. Let's see how it looks with it there. so I have that little, just a little background blur, so it's not completely blank. You know, that would be a little annoying. Okay, but that's kind of why I'm gonna lower that a bit. I'll move that out of the way. Let's do a quick title card. I don't know why it's like that. I have a TF2 font in here. Explore. Now, how do I actually put the TF2 class's voices into these videos? Well, over here, I have a folder called TF2 Voice with all the classes in it. So let's start with the Scout real quick. First of all, change that to that so it'll run a little smoother. And now we find a battle cry sound.
Play ball! Let's get evil! Woohoo!
Alright, so we got that playing right there.
Woohoo!
Okay, so now I could just keep putting all these in here and do some sentence mixing, but there's also this website right here. This website called Fake You. It has this thing right here, text to speech. And let's see, I want to have Heavy's voice here. I literally just type it in and it makes it. And I hit speak, and now we just wait. It takes a little while sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't work at all, and it worked this time.
Let us wait, little man. This storm controller.
Okay, let's use that. So here what I do, I actually, this mouse right here, I middle click it, so it opens in a new tab. And here we are in the new tab, and I click over here, download,
This storm controller.
and then click download again, and now it's saved in my downloads folder. So go in here, go to my downloads, and there it is. And just literally just drag and drop it in.
This storm.
Gonna lower the gameplay music first, because it's kind of loud.
Woohoo! This storm controller. Woohoo!
Alright, so now I just do this for a while, and I'll catch you back in a bit. Okay, currently 10:55. I'll catch you back when I'm done. Or when I'm gonna take a break, whenever. Still doing time lapse, and this is how much I've gotten done so far, and that's how long it's been. This is what the timeline looks like now that it's done, basically. I'm gonna render it in a second. Well, I guess it's done. To make sure it's actually good, let's take a little quick watch. Everything seems alright. It's just a little fun fact about TF2 is Pyro and Spy have the same voice actor, so I actually used the Pyro pain sounds for that segment. The website that I got all the text-to-speech stuff from, and then all the text-to-speech files, and that's actually not this many, really. These white files here. There's the audio file, and then these SFK files, which is basically something that Vegas Pro just makes to have the peaks, which are, when you're editing a video, the peaks is basically telling you where the audio is in an audio track. Like, you'll see it get bigger, and that means louder things happen. We're gonna go on to the next step right now. Since that's done, I'm gonna hop. Oh, it's over here, I forgot. Let's bring it over here. And I'm gonna burp right in your face like Demo Man. Select that file, which on the home screen is on the desktop, and what did I name it? TF2 double dash. I already forgot what I named the file. How ridiculous. And all my defaults are there, which is great. So it is Scout, Heavy, and where's the end? Spy, Play, Mario Kart, Double Dash. I actually checked to see if the titles are consistent. Because that's, I don't know why, it's just a little thing to me, but I like having the titles be consistent. Alright, now I gotta come up with a description. Now, the descriptions, I usually just maybe one sentence, at least. Now, for the thumbnail, I actually do that later on, and I'm gonna show you how I do that in a bit. Playlists. This is a Nintendo game. Scout's in it, and Heavy and Spy, so they're all there, so that's good. Audience, made for kids, not really. Altered content, not really. Automatic chapters, why not? So then that's already there. I usually don't put too many tags. I might do it later on. It does it automatically anyway, so I don't really need to do that. But, you know, why not? End screen, okay, that's what I do next. I usually just do video, subscribe, and then a playlist. In this playlist I'll do Nintendo games, because why not? Seems relevant. But yeah, it's going to be most recent and best review, which is basically how all my end screens are for these videos. Add cards. You know, why not? Next thing I usually do is I schedule the video, and I'm going to schedule it to go up on, well, it's already out by the time you're watching this. But I'll set it to go up tomorrow at, wait, what? Whatever. I'll set it to go, I usually set the videos to go up on Saturdays. But this week I'm going to set it to go up on a Friday, because why not? And I will do 3 p.m. And it'll be members only at first. Which, if you're not a member, join. Why not? You'll be able to see these videos early. You get some emojis in the comments. And you get a badge next to your name. And it supports the channel. And it's only $1. Okay, so now I'm on the iPad. Yep, here we are. There was a little bit of an issue. I accidentally erased this little icon from the thumbnail. And I couldn't get it back, which sucked. So I had to make a new one. So if you notice there are any differences in it, that's why. I usually just go on Google and look up Mario Kart Double Dash, or basically whatever the game is. And here's one. I might be able to use this one, I don't know. Make it a little bit bigger, and this is LumaFusion, by the way, in case you're wondering. I will make it bigger, and it'll be fitting good, okay? Now I gotta figure out where to place the class's faces. Hold your finger, and it just automatically pulls it out. Unplops him right in. And there he is. It's a little blurry, but let's see how it looks in the picture. Yeah, that looks fine, I think. I'll put it a little behind Heavy, so it's... Heavy's got a little neck issue there, but... Of course, I knew it was going to see through. Take a little bit of a blur, not a blur, but a brush, and just wipe it away. Now pop that little pencil back on top. Yes. Okay, so the thumbnail is done, I think. Is it clickable? I don't know. It's better than the default one, though. I know the Spy Plays 007 one, I went really hard on that one, I guess. I guess that's the word they say now. And let's see the default thumbnails. None of them are good, of course. Alright, so the new thumbnail is there. I don't know, something about this picture reminds me of something, like Pep Boys or something, I don't know. But that's saved now. That's gonna wrap up this video right now. And if you want to make your own, now you know how. You might have to follow some more tutorials online for the editing software and how to get things and whatnot, but that's basically a simplified view of how I did it. It took a while. So it took maybe about 3 hours, I'd say. And that's just the editing part alone. I forgot to check the clock when I started the render, but I think it was around 1:40 p.m. And I started the edit maybe around 10:40 a.m. So it took maybe about 3 hours, roughly, to edit this video. And that doesn't include the recording process and the upload process and making the thumbnail. So it's a little bit more than 3 hours, maybe 4 in total. 5, maybe, who knows. It all really depends on what you're doing.
Almost control port is being captured.